it a good thing to keep your relationship private? Yan ay naging tanong namin kay Donnie Pangilinan at seryoso naman niyang sinagot ito. Sagot ng aktor, definitely. Keeping the relationship private doesn't entail keeping it a secret. It's removing your relationship matters from the prying eyes and unnecessary opinions of people who are not involved whatsoever. We are often subjected to commentary from people in our everyday life. Among many aspects, our romantic relationship are more likely to be topic of unwarranted opinions or scrutiny by busybodies. At dagdag pa ng aktor, keeping your relationship matters between you and your partner allows you to find happiness within each other. It won't be dependent on external validation. Your relationship will be yours and yours alone.